Of late, I have been feeling stuck, have been trying to find out the purpose of my life. Hi, I am Leena. I got married late in my 30s, child free, and a mother of two cute little furries, and still figuring out life. So recently, I took a trip to mountains and it changed my entire perspective of living, and now I know what I want for the rest of my life. Sukoon. Peace of mind is something that I'm looking forward to for the rest of my life. यस, बिना सुकून के ज़िंदगी अधूरी है. इस बात का सुकून कि मैं शांति से जी सकती हूँ. Cause of late I have been feeling absolutely stuck and helpless. लग रहा है जैसे मैं कहीं फंसी हुई हूँ और मुझे बस निकलना है. And I'll figure it out for sure. As I said that I'm still figuring out life. So, whatever age you are in, it does not matter. लोग कहते हैं कि अपने 30s एंड 40s में सब सॉर्टेड हो जाता है, बट नहीं. कुछ लोगों को हमेशा से पता होता है कि उनको अपनी ज़िंदगी में क्या चाहिए, बट कुछ लोग अपने लेट 40s 50s में भी लाइफ को फिगर आउट ही कर रहे होते हैं. एंड आई जस्ट डोंट बिलीव इन रनिंग आफ्टर टाइम लाइन्स. मुझे हर एक चीज़ ज़िंदगी में बहुत ही लेट से मिली है, एंड मुझे जब भी जो चीज़ मिलती है ना, बस मैं ये मान लेती हूँ कि यही मेरा राइट टाइम लाइन था, यही मेरे लिए राइट टाइम था वो चीज़ अचीव करने के लिए. एंड आप चाहे कितनी भी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग कर लो, कितनी भी चीज़ें इमेजिन करके रख लो, ट्रस्ट मी, लाइफ हैज़ इट्स ओन प्लान्स. एंड आपकी सारी प्लानिंग धरी की धरी रह जाएगी जब सीधा ज़िंदगी से आपका सामना होगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम क्रिएटिंग दिस वीडियो. आई एम राइट नाउ इन माई डीपेस्ट डार्केस्ट मोमेंट्स एंड आई नो दिस विल गेट ओवर सून. I am on a self-healing journey. I'm trying my level best to heal myself from something that I've been suffering from past so many years. I am feeling stuck at a certain place and I'm just manifesting that I attract a lot of abundance, a lot of new opportunities in my life. तो चाहे कितनी भी एज हो जाए, लाइफ को फिगर आउट करना इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी. एंड अगर आप अपने 20s में हो या इनिशियल 30s में भी हो, देन जस्ट स्लो डाउन. लाइफ इज़ नॉट अ रेस. ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दैट. मतलब लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या इंटरनेट पे बोल रहे हैं, एब्सोल्यूट ब्रेन रॉट हो रहा है. लाइफ विल गो ऑन एट इट्स ओन पेस. आप चाहे कितना भी ट्राई कर लो. Yes, you should try and give your 100% to whatever you do. Be loyal to the work you are doing and rest, leave it on life, leave it on God. Trust me, जो आपकी destiny में होगा वो आपको मिलके ही रहेगा. No one can take away things from you. If you're destined to achieve something, if you're destined to make it big, you will make it big one day. Just do not forget to live life. It's been long that I've been working and I can say this from my experience. Try and spend good quality time with your family, with your loved ones, and above all, love yourself the most, because at the end of the day, it will be all about you. You'll be left alone. You need to take good care of yourself. आपको खुद का ख्याल रखना है. You need to love yourself a lot. A lot means a lot. Only if you love yourself, you can love others. Time flies like anything. I'm still wondering how these many years of my life has flown by. But I absolutely have no regrets because I have lived a fuller life. God has blessed me with so many things that I never even imagined of. And I am still counting my blessings. I've always been full of gratitude and have always been grateful to God for whatever He has bestowed me with. I have been blessed with this beautiful life and I want to make the most out of it. And I truly believe in the process of God. I know if I'm destined to achieve something, I will achieve it one day. I know मुझे late हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ भी जल्दी नहीं मिला. I could not achieve way too many things in my 20s, but I have seen a lot of things, achieved a lot of great things in my 30s, and I'm absolutely fine with it because I truly believe in the process of God, and it's not about the destination, it's about the journey that matters the most. जब आप कहीं किसी टॉप पे पहुंच जाते हो ना, then you think what next. तो वो जो जर्नी होती है ना, when you look back, that journey gives humans happiness. And yes, My life has been a great journey of ups and downs. बहुत सारी चीज़ों का मिक्स रहा है लाइफ. आज मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा सैड थी and I'm talking out of my heart, no script, nothing. So just wanted to give this message to all the younger people that just stay calm, take it slow. You will figure out life sooner or later. Just keep doing you. Do not give up. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. Just do not sit idle. Try and make money. Try and earn money for yourself, because with money comes a lot of financial independence, and it would give a different perspective to your life altogether. When you have your own money, when you earn your own money, you will be able to see the life differently. I don't want to sound preachy or something, but trust me when I say this, guys, just make your own money, because जब आपके हाथ में पैसा होता है ना, तो आप अपने लाइफ के बहुत सारे decisions खुद ले पाते हैं. And when you start taking your own life decisions, you will be able to lead a life of your own on your own terms, and that would give you immense happiness. Because अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में खुश नहीं हो ना, तो that life is like a total waste. तो जब आप अपने लिए वो डिसीजंस के हिसाब से अपनी ज़िंदगी जीते हो ना, तो किसी बात का रिग्रेट नहीं रहता. एंड लाइफ में ना कोई रिग्रेट नहीं रहना चाहिए कि ये नहीं कर पाए या वो नहीं कर पाए, बिकॉज वी हैव गॉट वन लाइफ. उसको भी अगर दिल खोल के नहीं जिया तो ज़िंदगी भर का रिग्रेट रह जाएगा. एंड दैट्स नॉट गुड फॉर आवर मेंटल हेल्थ. With a regretful life, we tend to pass on that generational trauma to our new generation, to our younger generation. And to break that cycle, it's really important to have our own perspective towards life. It's really important to earn our own money. And जब आप एक certain level पे पहुंच जाते हो ना, तो चीज़ें थोड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती हैं. But I know I'll figure it out. So this is the message that I wanted to pass on to you guys. कि be it your 20s or 30s or 40s, यार ज़िंदगी ख़त्म नहीं हो गई है. If you're alive, life struggles चलते रहेंगे. So just relax and keep figuring out life. कभी भी लाइफ एकदम से सॉर्टेड नहीं हो जाती है. हर एज में, लाइफ के हर एक स्टेज में चैलेंजेस आते रहेंगे ज़िंदगी में, एंड ज़िंदगी की मुश्किलों का सामना तो करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज लाइफ इज़न्ट एन ईजी गेम. What phase of life you are in? Have you sorted it all out or are still figuring out life? Do comment down below if you're watching this video. Maybe your comments can heal a lot of us. Maybe a lot of us need to read those comments to get an idea that we are not alone in this journey. There are so many other people like us who are still figuring out life and are yet to find the purpose of life. This may not be the most well articulated video, but I have tried my best to pour in all my emotions here without any script. And the video might also not align with whatever I'm saying, but yeah, I felt like just making this video and uploading it, because I'm someone who never opens up that easily, and I've always bottled up my feelings within myself. So I just gave it a try for the very first time, opening up to you all, pouring in all my emotions in this video, so that I can do a heart-to-heart conversation with you all. Looking forward to build a strong community of like-minded individuals who can be nice to each other, can be kind to each other, and lift each other up. Thanks for watching this video.